purity and experience. That's what's missing in music. How do we get back to that emotion? How do we get back to where you feel something?
I mean, stereo was a standard. We can move beyond it.
We're here to basically recreate the audio user experience that has never existed in the history of audio. We want to make it personalized and make sure that when you listen to music, you feel the music the way you want to feel the music.
The new audio UX, which is 3D, is here.
I'm currently in a content creation channel called King of the Dot, and we do rap battles. For us, we have a material problem where when I do a live stream or a pay-per-view, the viewers online have a different perception of our events from what the in-venue battles are like.
I'm still the best.
The main difference is the sound quality. When I listened to this technology, I saw an immediate application for it to help me, also to distinguish us from our competitors in the space. In a week and a half of the video being out, we're at 90,000 views, almost 85,000 views, and the response has been amazing.
We were trying to make art. We were trying to solve an art problem. We were music guys trying to solve an art problem. Our competitors don't have music people working there.
Not only do we create these immersive environments to listen to sound, but we're also using AI to learn from your behavior and your needs and wants to provide you a better user experience altogether. Noticeability is at 94%. 94% of the population knows when they listen to us that something big just happened.
Well, you didn't go back to mono, okay? We're not going back to stereo.